Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll see missing view of this sum. Front view, top view is given. We have to draw left hand side view. Now if you see in this, we have a circle and we have a rectangle for that. So circle in one view, other two views will be rectangle. So what I need to do, I'll project this top view rectangle. Two lines will come here, and again I'll project the lower one also. Then I will draw vertical line. And from here I will project circle. So I'll get two rectangles like this. Now we need to see what will be dark. So I'm just taking all the line. Now if I see from here, left side, this circle, rectangle, so we'll have rectangle. So this much will be dark. Remember one thing, if we have circle in one view, other two views will be same. So in this case, rectangle will come. Now why I'm drawing like this? This will be dark. It will be this like a U shape. Now if you see here, there is one dotted that we'll see afterwards. Because of this circle, that we'll see afterwards. We have inside this we have a circle, so that we will draw a dotted line. See, this part is done, U shape. Then this part, if you see, there is no dark line. Why? Because there is a T concept, if you remember from isometric. So there is no dark line over there. Now if you see this slope, there is a dark line over here. So this slope, rectangle, inclined line. So when I will project, I will get a rectangle. So it will be this way. And we have a merging curve over here. So we'll show it like this. Then we have circle. So for that circle, we'll have a rectangle. So this will be dark. Now I'm not too sure. When you draw, just make sure whether it is coinciding with dotted or you need to draw dotted. So just remember that. This part and this part, in my case it is coinciding. If it is not coinciding in your case, then you need to draw that dotted line. So circle is there and we have a rectangle. So inside view we will have a rectangle. Then we have a one more circle inside that. So we'll have dotted line. And now that dotted line is passing through this. It may coincide with that dark line, so that you need to check. So we are done with this sum. Now this dotted line will come. Because of that circle, see this circular part will have that dotted line. It is merging with that rib. That's why. Now we need to see section part. When you cut like this, what will happen? This line will become dark because it is getting cut. This line will become dark. This will go away. Then this will become dark. This will go away. Now see this. This will be hatched. This won't be hatched. This will be hatched. And this thin plate, this will be hatched. Circle is behind, so it won't be hatched. So this way we have completed this sum. We have done sectional front view, top view and left hand side view. I hope everyone understood this. Thank you.